Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word foundering in depth. First, the definition. Foundering means sinking or failing, especially in water or plans. Think of it simply as a ship slowly taking on water and sinking beneath the waves. Sometimes it can also mean when a project or idea completely fails. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Foundering originally described ships sinking due to water intake, recorded since the 1500s. Over time, it's been used by sailors and writers in English. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use foundering in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The old ship was foundering during the storm and needed immediate rescue. Correct example 2. His business was foundering after losing most of its customers. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to founder my way through the marathon, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using foundering correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Foundering means sinking or failing, especially in water or plans. It comes from the idea of ships sinking, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with foundering down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.